can't even watch her get a shot. So.
Well, that's a different thing.
Yeah.
This is a lot easier than that. So yeah, just have a seat there with her kind of.
This way?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. This is all okay, but there's just one little spot right here.
I knew something was wrong with you.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah.
So now just go ahead and you sit with her back. Yeah, laying on her back.
Like that?
Yep. Perfect. Hi, beautiful.
Princess.
Oh, look at those
My
eyes.
gorgeous girl.
Okay, so we're gonna get her to just relax.
It's okay.
Just let her. That's it. Oh, that was so easy.
Sit up. Yay!
Big fan, big fan.
Yay!
That was so easy.
Say thanks, Bruce.
Oh, you're welcome.
Say thanks.
Thanks for coming in today.
Of course. Say thank you. Say bye. Bye.